So as a part of the programs we normally offer, the students are given tasks and activities. So I can actually show you a bit of them while for that. So for workshop one, we don't normally give them any work to do, but like for instance for workshop two now, workshop two they actually have a project to complete. And the project is pretty simple for them to do. So it gives them a list of things when they finish they submit it. For workshop two, they have a few questions. But let's take a look at even workshop one, where a lot of persons would have done some work here. So as you can see here, we have persons just finishing up the tests and the grades are there for everybody. And we can go in and we can look through the answers, the explanation that was given, the answers, the questions that were done. So like for instance, during a disagreement with a co-worker, the nursing assistant should, and they have used respectful communication and remain professional. Raise your voice to defend themselves, ignore co-worker complaints. So this student would have done pretty well, and then her case study here with Mrs. Brown, an 82-year-old patient. And then now when you scroll down here, she gave a very detailed breakdown of what is supposed to be done. So yeah, basically that's the breakdown for her regarding the work, and then that is normally submitted to her at the end of that particular aspect. But for our, let's take a look at even workshop from workshop two with everybody. If you go to workshop two, let's look at workshop two for a minute. Project here for workshop two is pretty simple. They have a deadline for here. And what they're going to do, especially for the early childhood, they're actually going to be doing a creative thinking and language work for them. So gives them the breakdown what they're required to do, what the three activities they must complete for the child and all of that. Gives them the table for them to use for all of that, the submission instructions and all of that for everybody. So yeah,